Welcome, health enthusiasts and curious minds alike, to our exploration of the remarkable world of herbal teas for kidney health. Now the kidneys, those bean-shaped wonders in our bodies, perform a crucial role in keeping us healthy. They filter out toxins, regulate blood pressure, and even help in the production of red blood cells. Unfortunately, they're also prone to a myriad of health issues, from kidney stones to chronic kidney disease. But fear not, because nature has provided us with a variety of herbal teas that could potentially aid in kidney health. These aren't just ordinary teas, but natural remedies packed with antioxidants, anti-inflammatories, and other beneficial compounds. From the spicy zing of ginger tea to the calming effects of chamomile, each has unique properties that can support kidney function and overall health. So, are you ready to dive into the world of herbal teas that could potentially improve your kidney health? Hold on tight and let's dive right in. First on our list is the fiery and robust ginger tea. This vibrant brew is more than just a comforting beverage. It's packed with antioxidants, those incredible compounds that help combat harmful free radicals in our bodies. Now, why does this matter for our kidneys? Well, these vital organs are responsible for filtering waste from our blood, a job that can be made more difficult by the presence of these harmful substances. By sipping on ginger tea, you're not just indulging in a flavorful experience, you're also giving your kidneys a helping hand in their essential role. But there's more. Ginger tea also aids renal function, promoting the healthy operation of your kidneys. From supporting the filtering process to maintaining overall kidney health, this tea is a wellness powerhouse. So for a spicy and healthful kick, consider adding ginger tea to your daily routine. It's a simple, delicious way to boost your kidney health and overall well-being. Next up is the potent Nettle Leaf Tea. This herbal brew is not just your average cup of tea, it's a powerhouse of health benefits, particularly for your kidneys. Nettle Leaf Tea is known for its strong anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can help soothe the inflammation in your kidneys, offering a much-needed relief. But that's not all. This humble leaf is also a natural diuretic. Now you might be wondering what a diuretic does. Well, it promotes the production and release of urine. This process helps your kidneys to flush out waste and excess fluid from your body more efficiently. It's like giving your kidneys a little helping hand. And the best part? Nettle Leaf Tea is straightforward to incorporate into your daily routine. Just brew a cup in the morning, sit back, and let this herbal marvel work its magic. So, for a powerful health boost, Nettle Leaf Tea could be your go-to. Moving on, we have the ever-popular green tea. A staple in many households, green tea is more than just a refreshing beverage. It's a powerhouse of health benefits, particularly for the heart and kidneys. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants called polyphenols, which fight against harmful free radicals in your body, promoting overall health. But let's focus on the heart and kidneys. A strong heart is crucial for healthy kidneys, and green tea plays a vital role here. It aids in maintaining cardiovascular health by reducing bad cholesterol levels and improving blood flow. And when it comes to your kidneys, green tea is a true ally. It helps in kidney repair and reduces the risk of chronic kidney disease. So it's not just about enjoying a warm cup of green tea, it's about embracing a healthier lifestyle. The next time you're brewing your tea, remember, you're also brewing wellness. So for your daily dose of wellness, green tea could be your cup of tea. Next in line is the unique Horsetail Tea. This herbal tea has an impressive history dating back to ancient Roman and Greek times, and it's still revered today for its numerous health benefits. Let's delve into the specifics. Horsetail tea is loaded with antioxidants, those powerful little compounds that help our bodies fight off harmful free radicals. This means that every sip of horsetail tea is working to protect your cells, including those in your kidneys, from damage. But that's not all. Horsetail tea also plays a crucial role in managing fluid retention. Acting as a natural diuretic, it helps your kidneys regulate the amount of water in your body, ensuring that they are not overworked. Now isn't that something? A tea that not only tastes good but also provides your kidneys with such amazing support. So for a unique and beneficial addition to your routine, consider horsetail tea. Coming up next is the delightful Dandelion Tea. This herbal infusion is not just a pretty flower in your garden but possesses a wealth of health benefits. Dandelion tea is a natural diuretic which helps your kidneys clear out waste, salt, and excess water by increasing urine production. This in turn aids in maintaining a healthy balance of electrolytes. Moreover, dandelion tea is packed with antioxidants. These powerful substances help protect your cells from damage. They neutralize harmful free radicals, preventing them from causing harm to your body, including your kidneys. Here's a fun fact. Dandelion tea has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. So, it's not just a recent health trend, but a long-standing remedy with a proven track record. So for a delightful and nutritious drink, dandelion tea is worth a try. Imagine savoring a warm cup of this earthy, slightly bitter tea, knowing it's doing wonders for your kidney health. Now isn't that a comforting thought? Last but certainly not least, we have the soothing chamomile tea. This delicate aromatic brew is more than just a bedtime favorite. It's a powerhouse of health benefits, particularly when it comes to your kidneys. Chamomile tea is widely known for its sleep-inducing properties, making it the perfect companion for a good night's sleep. But it's not just about getting those 40 winks. Quality sleep is essential for the body's repair processes, including those in your kidneys. Beyond sleep, chamomile tea aids in digestive health. It helps soothe the stomach, reducing inflammation and promoting better digestion. This, in turn, can contribute to improved kidney function. But the benefits don't stop there. Chamomile tea can also help lower blood pressure. High blood pressure can be detrimental to kidney health, so sipping on this calming brew may just give your kidneys the break they need. So, for a relaxing end to your day that also boosts your health, chamomile tea could be your perfect nightcap. Herbal teas offer a wonderful blend of taste and health benefits. We've journeyed through 6 amazing herbal teas that pack a punch when it comes to kidney health. Ginger tea, brimming with antioxidants, aids in optimal renal function. Nettle Leaf Tea, a fantastic anti-inflammatory and diuretic, helps keep things flowing smoothly. Then we have green tea, a steadfast supporter of heart health and kidney repair. Horsetail tea, laden with antioxidants, aids in managing fluid retention. Dandelion tea, a natural diuretic, also brings a wealth of antioxidants to the table. Finally, chamomile tea, a soothing promoter of sleep, digestive health, and blood pressure regulation. Each one brings its unique flavors and health benefits, but remember, while these teas are a boon for your kidneys, maintaining a wholesome lifestyle is equally important. Remember, your health is your wealth. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep sipping. Until next time, take care and